Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is the next question number 11 of exercise 4.1. Let's write the question. A(n) equals to 4n minus 3, and we have to find the term a8. Okay, so a8 equals to question mark. Now we have to find a8. Here n should be equal to 8 to find a8, so n is equals to 8. A8 is equals to 4 into n equals 8 minus 3, which is equals to 4 8s are 32 minus 3 is equals to 29. So the next question is an equals to 5n plus 11, and we have to find a9. Okay, so again n should be equals to 9 to find a9, ninth term of this sequence. So a9 equals to 5 into 9 plus 11, which is equals to 45 plus 11, which is equals to 56. Now it is the turn of question number 13, which is an equals to 3n plus 4 into 2n minus 5. And we have to find the seventh term of this sequence. So n is supposed to be equal to 7. Now a7 equals to 3 into 7 plus 4 into, into 2 into 7 minus 5. It is equals to 20. 3 sevens are 21 plus 4 into 2 sevens are 14 minus 5. It is equals to 21 plus 4 is 25 into 14 minus 5 gives us 9, which is equals to 225. Now is the turn of question number 14, which is an equals to minus 1 raised to the power n minus 1 into 3.4n minus 17.3, and we have to find the 12th term. So first of all, let's solve it. No, there's no need to solve it. Okay, let's put n equals to 12. A12 equals to minus 1 raised to the power 12 minus 1 into 3 into 4 into 12 minus 17 into 3. So we have A12 equals to minus 1 raised to the power 11 into 3 into 4 is 12, 12 into 12 is 144. Okay, this is equal to 51. Then we have A12 is equals to minus 1 raised to the power 11. A negative number with an odd power gives us negative sign. Then 144 minus 51 gives us 93. So this is the 12th term of this sequence. Now let's solve question number 15, in which we have to find the 22nd term, and the equation is an equals to 4n square into 11n plus 31. So here we are supposed to make n equals to 22. A22 equals to 4 into 22 square into 11 into 22 plus 31. So now A22 equals to 4 into 484 into 11 into 22 gives us 242 plus 31. Now A22 equals to 4 into 484. Let's write it as it is right now. 4 into 484 into 242 plus 31 gives us 273. Now let's multiply this whole, and this is equals to 528528. So this is the answer of question number 15. So this is the question number 16, in which the equation is an equals to 1 plus 1 by n whole squared, and we have to find the 20th term. So n equals to 20. Now a20 equals to 1 plus 1 by 20 whole squared. It is equals to, let's take 20 as the LCM, and so here it will be 20 plus 1 whole square. It is equals to 21 by 20 whole square, which is equals to 441 divided by 400. So this is the answer of the 16th question. Thank you so much.